Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make an Instagram spam bot using 20 simple lines of Python code. So let's get started. So now I'm in my desktop and I'll quickly jump onto my text editor, Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor you want, but I personally prefer this text editor. And if you want to download and install Visual Studio Code, I will leave some links down in the description so you can download and install it from there. After you have done that, you can just head on to Visual Studio Code and create a new file by the command Control N or Command N. Then you have to save the file. I am going to be saving it in my desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. So I'll just be typing Insta spambot.py. So you can name it anything you want, but the py extension is necessary for every name that specifies that the file is the Python file. So after you've done that, you can just head on to the first line of the code. That is, we have to import two libraries. So the first one would be PyAutoGUI. PyAutoGUI helps us in clicking things on the desktop, mouse and the keyboard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import PyAutoGUI, and in addition we have to also import time. So we don't want PyAutoGUI to start instantly after we start running the code. That is why we are gonna import time. So after you have done that, you just have to use the pre-inbuilt package of time, that is sleep. So you have to just go ahead and write time.sleep, and in parentheses you have to write the time that you want PyAutoGUI to start the code after. So I'm just going to be specifying 5. You can specify anything you want. After you have done that, you have to create a variable. I'm going to be naming it f. You can name it anything you want. Then you're just going to write open, and after that we are going to write the path which we want to spam. So basically I'm going to be using Justin Bieber's song Baby. You can use anything you want because that is pretty annoying. And so we are going to specify the path where we have the lyrics saved. So you can just copy it and paste it anywhere you want. So you have to paste it in a text file and you have to specify the path right here. So after you've done that, you just have to go ahead and write open. In parenthesis, I am going to be specifying the path. So the path would be users. So it would be /users /desktop and then we have to write where we have saved the file. So that would be .txt. I'm going to be showing you where I saved it in my desktop. As you can see, this is the file. And as you can see, I have the lyrics right here. So now I'm just gonna specifying R and separated with a comma because we want to read this file and then we want PyAutoGUI to save it. So now we are gonna create a for loop and we are gonna write the word. So for word in f colon, and then the next line would be indented PyAutoGUI dot type right in parenthesis word. So we want PyAutoGUI to write the word in the command, and then PyAutoGUI dot press the word enter on the keyboard. So this will send the message that PyAutoGUI has typed. And this is the whole code we need for this project. It is just 5 lines of simple Python code. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this file. Then for the final part, I'll just go ahead on the run button and I'll just click on run file through terminal. But to get that working, you have to install PyAutoGUI first. So you just have to go ahead in a terminal and type. If you're not using a text editor, you can go onto your terminal in your Mac, or if you are not using a text editor and you are on Windows, you can go onto your command line. So here you have to write pip install PyAutoGUI, and it will install every library you need for this project. And in my case, it is showing that the requirement is already satisfied, but in your case it will completely download and install everything. So after that is done, you just have to go ahead in the run button and you just have to click on run file through terminal. I'll just open Instagram through Brave. As you can see, instagram.com, and here I'm just gonna run the code. As you can see, it is running, and I'm gonna just click here on the message. So after 5 seconds it will start spamming. As you can see, it is sending the whole lyrics of Baby to this guy and that guy has just been spammed. So if you also want to be annoying like that, you must try this tutorial. And if you I'll just stop this right now. And if you like this video, please smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which tutorial do you want next, and I'll see you next time.